Okay, 20 days. We have 6 days, we have 4 days, 3 days. So this one is first. Okay, teammates. Manuel here. As you can see, 7 day completed. Yeah, it's going to be completed in 30 seconds. All right. I'll be doing, as these complete, I'll be doing videos. And let me see. Now I'll be relooping, but I'll be relooping. I'm going to be adding this to the balance and then reloop that one for 28 days. Here we go. 1, 0, 1, 0, complete. Now, that money should be going directly to here. Oh, it reached already. Nothing's guaranteed. This is not my program. But based on my trading experience and all of that, it's actually to confirm. I think this is a good, even though my trading I get between 5 to 35% per period. Let's confirm. Confirm. Okay. And we're in. Okay, everybody, sports fans, teammates, we have another 28-day loop completing. 2 hours, 1 minute, and a few seconds. Okay, folks, the loop has completed. Unfortunately, I missed it. So as you can see, it's completed. The balance is there. So I'm going to leave that there and watch this one closely for tomorrow, which will be around the same time.